All right, good almost afternoon, Algebros. It's Mr. Jeffries coming at you with a very slim fifth period class. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 out of 22, so literally we're rolling 50%. All right, so on number one, you're going to have to know the function. Remember, it's either linear, absolute value, or quadratic. This one is absolute value because it has absolute value bars. All right. Our A is going to be the number between to the front, so this would be 5. Our H is right here, and remember it's the opposite, so -7. And then our K is out here. Well, there's nothing there, so that would be 0. That's all you really have to do on that problem. Okay, again, a lot of these are set up and not solve. Okay, now this one says, okay, this translates, so we take our K value right here, this is -2. We add 4 and we get +2. So our answer down here is absolute value of X plus 2. Okay. Yes, please stop saying that. All right. So, also is smoking crack, and people quit doing that all the time. All right. So, this is not a 0 for our A. This is 1. All right. Our H again is opposite right there, so this is +2. It also goes here. Our K is 1. It also goes here. Now, fill in the points. Well, this should go like a number line. Yep. This is 1A. So 1 times 1 is 1. So I add 1. 2 and 2. All right. Then I forget what color I used to do that one in. So this one is 3A. So 3 times 1 is 3. So I add 3. So this would be 5 and 5. Okie dokie. So, are we going number 3? Anybody need some more time? Also, there's more orange sheets up here for y'all to work on your orange sheet for your exam. All right. So, number 4. This, I may take this box out over here because you really don't need it. But our C value, this is -15. Our B value is -2. Because this is negative, it means the signs are different. Because this is negative, it means our bigger factor is negative. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to factor this one. Again, lots of setup, not a lot of solve. Okay? Because usually if you can set the problem up, solving it is not that bad. Though I could just, if somebody from the Board of Education is sitting there looking at my exams, they're like, what is this guy doing? They probably have no idea. All right. So this one we have to multiply A times C. So this is 2 times 5, which is 10. And our b value is negative 11. Because, see, this is positive, this means our factors are the same. Because this is negative, that means they're both negative. Okay. So, this is, remember that A goes here, C goes here. Now, what goes in the middle, what are the numbers, what is the factors of 10 that combine to give you negative 11? Well, it's not 2 and 5. Yeah. They're going to be 10 and 1, and they're both going to be negative. So it doesn't matter where it goes. The 1 could go here, the 10 could go there. It doesn't matter. Okay. And that's all you have to do on this one. You don't have to factor it out. That's it. I figured it was very cute. Like, I want... No, I don't think the what I was saying about not needing the box, I don't think the box needs to be on this one. I do think the box needs to be on this one because you actually have to factor. I was being very Pacific, or very Atlantic, and not very Pacific on that one. All right. So, I don't know if you remember, but this is the Captain Insano method, where you poke the eye out. You'll shoot your eye out. You'll shoot your eye out. Okay, so sorry, that was supposed to be 7i squared. So my answer. Notice, I'm only writing my answer in my answer box, not all of my work. All right. Now, our conjugate are the same terms as this. So 3, 3, 4i, 4i. The main thing that changes are the signs. That's a positive. This is a negative. So you might write same term, same numbers, different sign. Just a little note, maybe, as you're, taking notes. Note to my dear future husband. All right. So, oh, my bad. You needed that. Oh, I thought you were saying something about my great singing. And nothing but crickets on that one. All right, so I'm combining like terms. Seven, and then this is plus 4x squared minus 3x. All right. I hope this one works out because I think some of these problems I was just making up as I put in here. All right, so remember we put the opposite, which is positive 1. And then 1, negative 12, and then 11. So we drop this number. Okay, then we multiply 1 times 1. Well, this is 1. Alright, then negative 12 plus, this is a positive, so we add plus 1, negative 11. Okay, so the negative 11 times 1 is negative 11, so this gives us 0. So we end up with x minus 11, remainder 0. Okay? What we got 10 more problems, right?
No, 3.
I know you're anxiously awaiting the call to leave. I'm sorry. I wish my parents would check me out.
Me too.
I lost something once. Okay, is everybody good here? Anybody need more time? Okay, so number 10. This is going to be just a letter. It could be X, it could be Y. It's not going to be O or I. All you have to do for the A value right here is write this. Whatever that is. Now, B, we're going to find the cube root of 27 in the calculator. Whatever that number is, that's what goes there, because remember we had those two definitions of how to plug it in and stuff. So the cube root of 27 would just be 3.
Yep.
All right.
That's all.
Yep. That's it. You don't have to finish that out, because if you can find their A and your B, all you got to do is plug it into that formula and you're done. Again, lots of setup. All right, so remember the 5th of November. It's the opposite of this. Some of these, biscuits. Somebody unplugged my extension cord over there and my computer died, so now it's like starting over in the morning, in the middle of the day. I hate that. Dagnabbit. Alright, so what we do, we just plug it in the calculator. Raise the roof 4, scroll over, minus 3, 5, raise the roof 3.
What did you say? What made number?
Minus 40. Okay, yeah, we get 1560. Is this 0? No, and that's all we have to do. That girl. All right. So that was number 11. Okay. This is a recent one, as in you just had this test yesterday. Mm-mm.
What you mean? I actually don't see that yet. What you know? And 98. Oh, I never heard of you. Yeah, but you also go up there and ask questions. I don't.
So what did you learn if your sister asked questions and made higher than you and you didn't ask questions?
It's because I don't like asking questions, so I don't. So that's part of your problem. No, but I know how to do everything. I just told you. I know how to do it. I just got to double check.
All right. So, believe it or not, that's the study guide. So, don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the bell. Good stuff, good things, real time.